Hey everyone, this is Tyler, and briefly I'm going to show all you interns or other early career positions how you can create an Outlook email signature that not only exudes professionalism, but also helps highlight your personality. We're going to start by opening up our Microsoft Outlook application and clicking our new mail function. Scanning our ribbon bar, we see our signature function, which will open up and be presented with options for creating and deleting our email signatures. So thanks to Microsoft, we're actually given an email signature gallery, which of course we use to access our customizable templates. So we're going to download the gallery file and open it up through Microsoft Word. You can see I already made edits to the name. And what's also really cool is at the bottom we can see these three little circles. Now we can use these to link other applications such as a LinkedIn profile or a YouTube channel. Just be sure to use the hyperlink option and we'll be given access to those who need it. As you see, we can make edits to the photo, so let's change it to one of our liking. And as you see, we can also make edits to the border style of the photo. I'm just going to go with the rounded edge border. So after we made our final edits to our email signature, we can simply copy and revert back to our earlier steps for accessing the signature function. Now we're on to our final step. Open our new signature, name our new signature, and paste our new signature. And at the end, press OK, and we're all finished. Thank you all for watching, and please be sure to share this training with someone who might also find it helpful.